Imagine a world where everyday problems are solved by inventions you never knew existed, like the self-stirring mug. Just press a button, and your coffee mixes itself. Or the smart umbrella that alerts you when rain is on the way. Ever heard of a portable blender? Blend your smoothies on the go. No outlet needed. Then there's the anti-theft backpack, which locks itself when someone tries to steal it. And how about the digital measuring cup that converts measurements for you? Cooking just got a whole lot easier. Don't forget the solar-powered phone charger that keeps you connected anywhere. Or the wearable air conditioner that cools you down on hot days. These inventions not only make life easier, but also add a sprinkle of innovation to our daily routines. Who knew that such clever solutions were just waiting to be discovered? Next, we have the smart shopping cart, which helps you find items in the store and keeps track of your spending. Ever heard of a solar-powered backpack? It charges your devices while you're on the go. Then there's the invisible bike helmet, an airbag that deploys when you fall. How about a pen that can write in any color? It's a game changer for artists. And don't forget about the robotic lawn mower, cutting your grass while you relax. There's also a device that turns your voice into a musical instrument. A portable water purifier that fits in your pocket is next, followed by a smart mirror that gives you health updates. Finally, the 3D food printer. Imagine printing your meals. These inventions are not just cool, they're changing the way we live.